Okay, in question 6 of the exercise, here's what the problem statement says. The first and last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. So the first term A is 17, the last term L is 350. Now if the common difference is 9, so the common difference is also given, so let's write it. So D is equal to 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? So we have to find n, the number of terms, and we have to find Sn, the sum of those terms. So first let's find the number of terms by making use of the relationship an, the nth term, is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. In this case, an is the last term L, so that's 350. This is equal to a, which is 17, plus n minus 1 into d. So d is 9, so 9 into n minus 1. So from here we get 9 into n minus 1 is equal to 350 minus 17, that's 333. So if I divide by 9 on both sides, I get n minus 1 is equal to 333 by 9, that's 37. And this means that n is equal to 38. So there are 38 terms in the AP. That solves part of the problem. Now we have to find their sum. So now we have to find S38. So to do that, I'm going to make use of the relation Sn is equal to n by 2 times a plus the last term an, or L if you want to write it as L. So S38 will be equal to 38 by 2 into a, which is 17, plus the last term L, or the 38th term, which is 350. And now if we calculate this, we will get 38 by 2 is 19 into 17 plus 350 is 367. So 19 into 367, this is equal to 6,973. So that completes the problem. The answer is that the number of terms is 38 and the sum of those terms is equal to 6,973. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.